Hi guys, it's Nunu and it is week 9 in modules, March 29th through April 5th. It's spring break. There's no homework. Use your time to complete any missing assignments or read text for upcoming assignments. Okay, as you know, modules is our Bible to the classroom. Modules contains all of our class readings, all of our assignments. I can click on modules here, or I can use this handy link I've created here. So I'm going to use this link, and it will take me into week 9, of course, which is no homework. You can go ahead and read texts that are upcoming all the way to the end of the semester. Everything is listed, and you can survey assignments, what it is that you'll be doing, or you can go back and you can complete any assignments that you're missing all the way back to week 1. Let me remind you, you have a course evaluation here. It's very helpful if you fill it out for me, and it's anonymous. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, and this will take me back into home and my nifty little icon here. And I'm going to wish you a happy, beautiful, restful, wonderful spring break. I am an inbox here. If you have any questions or concerns, I'll be working during spring break. All right, be safe and be happy.